Today, I'm going to show you how to put a piece of vinyl onto another surface using transfer tape. So first, you want to cut out a piece of transfer tape that's about the same size, if not bigger, than the piece of vinyl that you're going to be applying. And the first thing you're going to want to do after that is peel off the non-sticky part of the transfer tape. While you're peeling it, you're going to want to be placing the piece of vinyl on at the same time. That way your transfer tape doesn't wrinkle up. Once you have your transfer tape applied, you want to flip it over and you want to slowly peel back the backing of the vinyl while making sure to have the letters stick onto the transfer tape. Once you have your vinyl onto your transfer tape, you want to flip it over and place it over where you want it to stick. Make sure it's lined up and then press down on the vinyl. Once you have it placed down, you want to peel the transfer tape. You might end up with a couple of bubbles, in this case a lot of bubbles. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab a credit card and slowly push away the bubbles towards the edge.